You'll have to excuse the breeze. I'm going to call it a breeze because that's more springy. If I said it was wind, it's a little more treacherous. But it's a strong breeze, we can call it that. But it's a beautiful spring day, and I want to film outside, so that's what I'm going to do. And this is what I've got for you. It's a good one. Matchbox 2022 C-Case. Brand new mix. Haven't seen any reports of it being found in the US. I don't know if I've seen any reports of it being found anywhere. Maybe I have. I don't know. Nonetheless, this will be a fun unboxing, not only because we get to see the new models in here, but also because this mix has a chase. I have no idea if this case has a chase, but the C mix has the Matchbox Super Chase. To give you a reminder, last year this was the Super Chase. I can't remember the mix. Might have been the final mix of 2021. It was the Matchbox Super Chase was the 2020 Corvette. I think the regular issue was red, right? And the Super Chase, while the red issue was earlier in the year, and then the Super Chase came out in this red, white, and blue livery. It had two-piece tires, just like Hot Wheels Super Treasure Hunts do, and a new deco. It seemed that this was in almost every case, one per case. When it came out, I don't know if that was the intention because these are supposed to be chases. They still were very hard to find. I did come across this one here in a store, felt very lucky. But what we're going to do is find out if it's in here. If it is, great. If it's not, then that's a lot of talk about chases. But it is supposed to be in this mix. So if I don't pull it, that doesn't mean that you won't find one in stores. I have been told that that mix is here, or that the chase is in this mix, but we will find out in this particular case. If I've got it from Mattel, it means that its arrival in stores is imminent because it came from their distribution center. So I would keep your eyes open for this mix. 24 cars, and let's see what we find. Now, one thing that's going to be interesting about this one is that unlike this chase, the Corvette was in a previous mix, and Matchbox does not repeat models and mixes, so once they're in the C mix, you won't see them again. This one came out later in the whatever mix it was, the Q mix, I don't remember, the last mix. I'm thinking Hot Wheels there. But in this case, we do have the Bronco. I already see it here. We'll see if the chase is in there. But you will get, like Hot Wheels, you'll get the regular issue, and you may or may not get the Super Treasure Hunt, which is interspersed in these mixes. It would be like the upgraded version. All right, so should we do this? Let's do it. All right. We'll just go 3 by 3 and see what we find. And there is the Bronco right there. So we've got, I'm going to try and let me put this up just a little bit higher. We've got the 2021 Ford Bronco. We have a new model, the 2012 BMW 3 Series Touring. That's amazing. And then we have the Road Roller. Let's take a look at all of these. Since it's only 24, we can do this. There is your Ford Bronco. This is not the Chase. The Chase, I believe, is red, white, and blue. So who knows? That's that. And then let's take a look at this new model. This is the 2012 BMW 3 Series Touring. This thing looks amazing. There's that breeze again. Front and rear done in black with black 10-spoke rims. This thing is awesome. There is the artwork. I'll do an opening video pretty soon, like in a little bit. And then of course we have that one. All right, let's look at the next three. There is another Bronco. Now it suggests to me that if we're finding two Broncos in here, maybe that means that is it. Like we have two. If there was a chase, it might be the second Bronco. So we have one of those, and then we have two of the 1948 Jeep Willys in kind of a muddy look. So yeah, all the talk about chases, and I don't think we got it. But it's going to be exciting. 1975 Opel Kadett CGTE in yellow and white. This is another new model. I should put these. I always like to do the highlights. So the BMW we'll put aside. This one is also new. Cool to see an Opel. This thing looks really, really cool in yellow and white. I don't see a second one of those, but that is a definite highlight. We have the Fiat 500 Turbo 2019 Fiat 500 Turbo, and then the Matchbox self-driving bus, which we'll probably see 8 million of those on the pegs afterwards. All right, another new model, and this thing's nuts. Push and puller. It is a front versus front. It is a mesh together half a car, and it's goofy. But I think this is actually based on some kind of weird custom car. And my cup of tea, no, but there you go, right? Well, I don't know. Should I put that in the new car highlights? I guess so. And then how about this 1965 Land Rover Generation 2 in the Land Rover, that kind of jungle safari look, which looks so cool. Love that one. That based on the classic. All right, another new. Is this a new model? No, this one's been around. This is the International Terra Star Ambulance, right? Is this one? I don't think this is new. I think this is that one that's like all plastic with the metal base. That one's kind of cool. In the paramedic, that might match the Dodge, right, that we've seen in the opening parts. Here is the Chow Mobile and the Fire Dasher. Both, I think those are our existing castings. All right, this is kind of cool. 2015 Mercedes-Benz G500 with a totally different art. I wonder if there's a Drive Your Dream Car. I wonder why they're doing this. I'll have to find out why they did a special art for this Mercedes for the G-Class. Maybe is there like, or for the G-Wagon. Is there a special anniversary of the G-Wagon or something like that? It doesn't say anything on it. It's just this very kind of classic. There's two of them in here. I don't think that's considered a chase or anything, but that's kind of cool, that artwork. Put that to the side. And then here is the Ford Police Interceptor hazmat team. All right, two of the Polaris RZR RZR. That is a licensed vehicle, the Polaris RZR. And how about this 1936 Ford Coupe? Is this new? You know, some of these old classic cars, they tend to mesh together for me, but I believe it is. And look at that thing, just a fantastic. Looks like it's like got a metal body all around. Even the fenders are in metal. There's your artwork. Wheels look fantastic too. Are those wheels? Wheels almost look different too. Am I missing something on that? They look different. Anyway, that is really, really cool. I'll have to open that up and have a look at that. We'll put these Polaris to the side. And guys, I have to say, actually, this is kind of good news. We've got two of the Subaru Sambar and the 2019 Jeep Renegade. There's the Sambar. It's kind of a cool little model. We've seen that. Breeze is pushing this away. There we go. That is the C case. And this is good news because there was no chase in there. Do I want to find the chase? Of course I do. But the fact that it's not in here verifies to us that it's not going to be in every case. So it will truly be a chase. And guys, come on. I'm always prepared. I have a second one that I already opened. When I came home today, there were two of these cases. And I said, I wonder what that is. I cut it open. And one of the reasons I know is that this is the one I opened first and I kept the other one sealed. And if you look, you got your Land Rover, you got your Sambar. I can go through it. But if you look right here, I've got two Broncos. In this C case, there's your chase. Matchbox Super Chase, 2021 Ford Bronco. There's your chase. I'll put it together with this one. And there you go. It does exist. It will not exist in every case. I think that is great news because it means it is truly a chase. And I'm very happy to see that because that didn't seem the case with the Corvette. If we look in here, I do see two Broncos here. I only see one Mercedes, so I think that's maybe what they have cut down is the Mercedes to put that chase in here. So there you go. I'm glad Matchbox sent me two cases because one had the chase and one did not. I just happened to cut this one open first and I went, oh, and then I did the other unboxing. So we know that this one will be a true chase. Go out and look for it when C cases arrive. Good luck to you. Let me know if you get lucky. Thanks, everybody. Bye.